learners, welcome back to the channel. Now in the HackerRank series, let's see the next question, which is about tuple. So first read out the problem. Given an integer n and n space separated integers as input, create a tuple t of those n integers, then compute and print the result of hash t. Hash is one of the functions in the built-ins module, so it need not to be imported. Now, the input format will look like this. The first line contains an integer n, denoting the number of elements in the tuple. The second line contains n space separated integers describing the elements in tuple t. And then print the result, hash t. So, suppose sample input is 2 and then it is 1, 2. So, this is how it should look like, the output. So simply we need to hash it. So then compute the print of the result of hash and then whatever the number it is given. So simply we will be using the hash function, nothing more than that. So integer list is already splitted. Now what the only the one line we need to add, print what we want to print, hash, right? So we will be writing hash function print hash, and then I will be converting into tuple of integer list. Okay, that the variable it is, right? So this is integer list. So that's it. And then when I'll run this, I hope it will work. Okay, yes, it has passed the test case. Now let's submit the code and see if it has passed all the test cases. Yes, it has passed all the test cases. So that's it for this challenge. Now let's